Stepping out here in this fun. There's the tipped over wishing well. This is insane. So it's a little warmer out. Temperatures have risen, which unfortunately for folks like myself who haven't dealt with some of the effects of the last windstorm. So the wind blew all the snow off the roof. There was about 3 times that much snow on the roof, and a lot of that ended up coming down and creating this huge snow berm about thigh high that I now can't get through with the 4-wheeler to get to the shop. So now I've got to dig this out. The warmer temperatures, unfortunately, have caused the snow to soften and reform as ice. So, getting after this. So, the other day, while I was plowing, a little bit of ice had formed, and I snapped a shear pin on the 4-wheeler's plow. So now, I don't have any way to lock the plow at any angle. It just flows free because the bottom of this little shear pin won't lock in because it broke off. So I went to Polaris and bought a new shear pin that is not snapped off at the bottom, and we're gonna put that in today. One side spring, other side spring, center pin, and broken off shear pin. So this is the good one, and this is what sheared off when I hit that ice. So drop that guy back in, set our center pin in there. Well, would you look at that? Can now lock it into place. Angle that plow however you want. We got a working plow again, folks. Trash blows around in the windstorms up here. Thanks to the snowplow, we now have full access to the shop. All that snow is gone. But also, as a result of all the storms, all the snow we've had, this 4-wheeler has snow everywhere. So we're gonna run down to the car wash and do a little 4-wheeler wash. Let's go.